Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for my Stitch Fix haul for November. I'm not going to give some long intro about how Stitch Fix works. If you don't know how it works, I'm just going to put it down in the description box below. I'm assuming that most of you who watch these videos already do Stitch Fix. So I'm going to go ahead and open mine. I don't remember what I asked for this month. I think there might be some more leggings in here because I did not keep the ones from last month with the zipper on the bottom. I just wasn't sure that I liked them enough to actually keep them. So there might be some more in here, but other than that, I have no idea what's in here. So it's gonna be a real treat for me because I did not cheat this month. Hi, sweetie. Okay. All right, this is definitely my kind of color. So there is, it looks like sweaters, like maybe even a dress. This looks really big to be a sweater, olive green, and it looks like there are leggings in here. So, oh, and there's also something that's red in here as well. Okay. I'm just gonna snatch this open and let's just jump into it. Okay, so the first thing, I already love the color. You guys know that I love olive. So this looks like it is a top, but it has one of those collars. So let me put it down. Okay. So here we go. It's a long sleeve top. It is super, super soft. I'm just like, hello. I'm not sure about the collar. I'll need to try it on to see how it fits. Is it an off the shoulder or is that just a collar? I'm actually not sure. It is a Baby Moon maternity, Tammy maternity cowl neck knit top. So it must be just one of those like collar type things. It is in the size medium. I'll just give you guys a screenshot of the tag in case you end up liking this. Okay, very cute, very soft. It's maternity, so hopefully it fits my bump nicely. The next thing is also a sweater, but it's super thick. This actually might be a dress. Or maybe it's just a sweater. Same kind of neck situation going on. So hopefully I like the way this neck thing looks on me. It does feel breathable, but still thick. And then it has the thick cuffs on the sleeves, like I like. I bet this is long enough to go over leggings, which is definitely a plus for me. I just can't hear the tags. This is the Ingrid and Isabel Shani maternity cowl neck sweater. So yes, exactly the same type of neck on the first and this item right here. And this is in a size medium as well. And let's see here. This red, this is a long sleeve shirt as well. And it has the gathering on the bottom. So it's like it's actually a little bit darker than it's showing up on camera. And it's heathered with a black color, if that makes any sense to you guys. And then it has the sleeves, like I like, that are cuffed like that. And this is the 14th Place Maternity, Ariza Maternity Knot Detail Knit Top. And this one is in a size large. So it looks like it might run just a little bit small. I'm not crazy about the color on this. The red heathered with black. But we'll see how it looks on. I'm just not really a fan of that combination, which my stylist wouldn't know that. I don't think I've ever gotten a shirt in that color before. And here we go with two pairs of leggings. So this looks like it is an over the belly legging, but the over the belly part doesn't look that tall. It's just, you guys can see, like here to here. So that's very interesting. I'm kind of big, so I need something to go all the way over my stomach. So we'll see how these go. This is by the company Rune, and it's the Winnie maternity legging in dark gray. And she did send a large because the leggings last week that I swore were see-through, but they really weren't without this light shining on them. They were medium, and I thought maybe I would need a large since we are carrying twins. And these are another pair of maternity leggings, again with the same the same length for the over the belly. It's just like this tall right here. So hopefully these fit okay. These are the Rune, same brand, Porter maternity legging. Same size and a size large. Okay, so I'm really excited to be trying more leggings out. I'm going to go ahead and try all these on for you guys. This is like the fastest I've ever done a Stitch Fix video before, if you guys haven't noticed. But I'm excited just to try these on, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is the black sweater. I actually really like how the neck is. If you guys can see it up close, it just kind of lays nicely and falls really well. This is a size medium. Now I'll show you guys how it looks on my belly. It actually has a lot of room to like grow out for the bigger I get, because I obviously am going to grow quite a bit in the next 13 weeks. And even though it's thick and I can tell that it's warm, it's still very, it's still very breathable. So this one I actually really like, and I love the cuff on the sleeves. It just feels so tight where it's not like super loose or anything. So I actually really like this, and I probably am going to keep it. Okay, here is the maternity heathered red / a little bit of black top. It fits me extremely well. I'm glad that she sent me a large because it's just very relaxed fitting, and there's definitely plenty of room to grow. And I actually really do like that it's up here and it's kind of cinched right here. I think it gives you at least some kind of form while having a belly. And I also have on these maternity leggings, the black ones. They actually come up to a really good spot, so there's really no worry about the band not being big enough. But I do worry that the bigger I get, the lower it's going to go, so it might get uncomfortable. But I'm not 100% sure if that's actually accurate or not. But I really do like this together, and I definitely love these leggings, and we'll be keeping these for sure. The shirt, while I do like it, I'm not sure that I actually would wear it as much as I think I would right now, just because I'm just not crazy about the color. The red and the black, it just looks kind of like a harsh color. I would much prefer like maybe a lighter color, even though it's like fall and Christmas time. I just think I would like something a little bit different color-wise. Okay, here is the olive green shirt. I honestly thought that I would like this the most, but I'm pretty sure I actually like this the least. If you see what I mean right here, how it doesn't really accentuate it, it just kind of drops off and hangs there. I'd feel better if like the bottom either was cinched or it had like the cuff on the bottom, because otherwise this is what it looks like when I'm walking around, and I don't like how that looks. So I'm not going to keep this, even though it's super soft. And I have it paired with those gray leggings. These are the same brand as the black ones, obviously. And I really like these as well. And I think it'll be good to have a pair of black and gray ones. So I'm actually kind of really excited about this legging brand. So let's go ahead and just get these off and see what everything costs. Okay, so this is interesting. I just opened my style card and they actually gave me a different stylist than Britt Hanlon. I don't know why they did that, because I didn't ask for a different stylist, but every month I've been putting in Britt Hanlon. So I just probably forgot to put it in this month, so I'm not, I don't know. So I guess, guys, make sure you ask for your favorite stylist every single time in the comment box. So I'm honestly a little surprised. But yeah, she did okay. Nothing like spectacular, but she did do a pretty good job. Okay, so I still have the gray leggings on. So these leggings right here and the black ones, they're actually both the same price. They're both $58. That, to me, now that I've been in the maternity legging market for a little while, that doesn't surprise me. And I am going to keep both pair just because I've purchased a couple of pairs from ASOS and Old Navy. Not Old Navy. Kohl's. And I don't like any of them. They're not comfortable. I don't like how they fit me. These fit me really well and they're very comfortable so far. So I am going to keep both of these pairs of leggings, and the large was a good size for me, and I have plenty of time to grow into them, so I am going to keep both of those. This green top is $58. Definitely not keeping it. It absolutely did not do anything for me. It actually made me look really frumpy, but it was really soft, which sucks because I would have loved to keep it. This red top is $44. It's okay. I'm probably not going to keep it just because I don't like the way that it looks on me. I like the shirt itself, but the color scheme I just don't like on me, to be honest. And then this black sweater is $78. I'm not keeping it for that price just because I like the sweaters, but I've gotten a ton of Stitch Fix sweaters. As you guys know, if you watch my hauls, I always keep 2 or 3 items, and normally the sweaters I keep are around the $55 range, and to me $78 for this plain black sweater, it's just not worth it to me. I can probably go and find one for like $45 or $50 that I like even more. Yeah, it's cute, but not for $78 cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep both pairs of leggings. So that would be $116. Minus the credit, it would be $96, I think, if I'm doing my math correctly. Not bad for 2 pair of maternity leggings. It's still cheaper than Lululemon maternity leggings, of course, because they're like $100 a piece. But yeah, that's going to be all for this Stitch Fix video, you guys. Hopefully it's shorter than my last ones because I want to make these videos a lot shorter because they get so long. But let me know what you guys got in your Stitch Fix haul, and let me know if any of you guys have the same stylist. It just says that her name is Cassandra, so she actually does a pretty good job for it being her first time ever styling me. But I will be going asking for Britt Hanlon back just because I have the best luck with her and I really like her. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.